Okay, so you want to get better at drawing, which is just awesome. Now, the only way that you're going to get better at drawing is by drawing more, like a lot more. My name is Rich Armstrong from TapTapKaboom, and my aim in these videos is to help you draw more. Now, one of the big things that prevents us drawing more is this desire to create perfect things. I want to help you smash that, get rid of that, reduce it. Now, there are a number of ways to do this, but in this video, we're going to draw with our eyes closed. If you're a pathological cheater, then use a blindfold. And what are we going to draw? Transportation. Bicycles, cars, trains, trams, metros, buses, trucks, airplanes, helicopters, hot air balloons, boats, ships, yachts. There are a lot of different things that we can draw. So, let me get a blindfold. There we go. I am ready now. And we can draw for 2 minutes or 5 minutes, or draw until you're just too curious to see how your blindfold drawing actually looks. So I'm going to start by drawing an aeroplane. All right, and let's go. I'm going to put this in my mouth so I don't actually see. Okay. There's the tail, all the way to the nose. And the wing, and another wing, and an engine, and another engine, and some tail thingies, and a whole bunch of windows. And the pilot's windows, and the front propeller, and the logo at the back. Okay. And then a few clouds here and there. And some birds. All right. I'm very curious to see what it looks like now. Pretty interesting. I mean, you can kind of see that it's a plane, and you can see that it's definitely not perfect, which is great. It means that now I've started drawing and I can continue drawing, and I've really just got that idea of creating something perfect out. The pressure is reduced. So I'm going to do another one, maybe a bicycle now. And let's see how that one turns out. Okay, I'm going under. Okay, bicycle. Front wheel with a bunch of spokes. Second wheel, bunch of spokes. And then, I don't actually know how to draw a bicycle. Okay, a new bicycle kind of design. Innovation, I tell you, innovation. And some pedals, and a light, and a front mudguard, and a back mudguard with a little thing for packages. Okay, I'm not going to draw a person, but maybe some ground, maybe some trees, maybe some more trees. Okay, let's see. Interesting. It looks like a bicycle had an accident. Crash, whatever. So there we go. Use this exercise to begin drawing, to have some fun, to just throw perfection out the window. And it's a really fun exercise to challenge yourself to see how well you can draw with your eyes closed, to see how well you observe things. Like, I'm around bicycles all the time, and I don't actually know what bicycles look like, which is kind of strange. So there we go. My name is Rich Armstrong from TapTapKaboom, and I want to help you draw more and draw better. So check out PenTips and check out TapTapKaboom.com for more creative and drawing exercises. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.